John Rett from Techno Buffalo here, and we are back with Brian with a tour of the Zune integration on Windows Phone 7. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, let's do it. So we'll toggle down here to the Music Hub, Music and Video Hub. And for all you that are familiar with Zune out there, the Zune HD, this looks very familiar. This is basically where you access all your media library, whether it's music, video, podcasts. All the phones will have an FM radio, just like a Zune HD. But you can also access the marketplace here to purchase music and video through the service. But let's click into the music catalog here. And just similar to Zune HD, if you wanted to jump to a specific artist, you get the same familiar kind of interface there. So I jump right down to the P's. I can just click the play button, and it'll just start playing, very similar to what you get on the Zune HD as well. All the music that you're going to play on your phone, this music doesn't have to be purchased through the Zune service. It could be MP3s that you purchase through some other service like Amazon, or non-protected tracks that you purchase through iTunes, or just DVD or CDs that you've ripped yourself. All that will be managed through the Zune software on your PC, which is the way that you get media onto your phone. But as long as it's not protected, we take all those file formats in, and then we put it onto your phone. So you can toggle over here and sort by albums, songs, and playlists. You can bump back out here. This is going to show you your history, very similar to how the Zune HD works today. And this is really cool if you want to pick back up off where you left. So let's say you took the bus, you got off the bus, had to go to work. You want to pick up where you left off on the bus when you go home. You can jump right back into it. And that's true for a song, a video, or a podcast. Back out here. Flip here, and this will show you your history. This is one of my favorite features because as a Zune Pass subscriber, and I'll show you new too because they're similar, but as a Zune Pass subscriber, you're probably downloading lots of stuff, listening to lots of music. So before I jump on the bus, I'm going to go download 5 new albums, but if you have a big collection on your phone, you might not remember exactly what you downloaded. So this is a great way to see, like, hey, this is the stuff that most recently got added to my phone. And if you're a podcast listener, it's really cool because every time there's a new episode of your favorite podcast, it will show up here and just let you know, hey, go check it out. So we can toggle back over here. And this will be where other music and video applications are surfaced as well. So if you download, let's say, iHeartRadio from Clear Channel or Last.fm or something like that, those will actually be listed here within the Music and Video Hub. And that's the same way for games too, if you're to download other games. The idea is that everything music and video should be in the Music and Video Hub. And so we're trying to organize information and applications that are similar into one logical place.
And developers have access to the APIs, so it'll still be the familiar tile interface?
Correct. Yeah, I mean, the developer tools are really rich, so that people can take advantage of this kind of pivot interface that we have here in the hub as well. And then they also have the appropriate protocols to be able to make sure that their application shows up in this kind of apps view as well.
What determines the background?
The background is your last track played. So all that metadata is brought in as you download music, and it's very small, it's compressed, but and that's what makes it Zune really nice too. So let's go. You can see the little Ken Burns effect that happens with the tile, which is really cool. It's all about those live tiles on the start screen. You see that motion is a big part of the way this phone works. But if we pop back into there, again, for all those that are Zune fans out there, this will be familiar. But let's do a video. Let's go back here, a little Anderson Cooper action. Music, Akon. You'll see here, it'll show you your albums, songs from Akon as well. And then you can access his bio, album information. All this stuff is cached when you download this music. You're also able to pop down here and it will show you other tracks from Akon that are in our marketplace that aren't on your phone yet. So again, if you're a Zune Pass subscriber, you can just press play and start streaming that over the network, or download it and add it to your collection on the phone. So that's a quick tour of the Zune and Music and Video Hub on Windows Phone 7.
Thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate it.
No worries.